Yeah. Okay. That's it, means something real nice. Big man trying to fit all his stuff in the car.
Alright, we're switching driving because I don't like driving gravel. Oh, we're all gonna die. Oh shit! Hello! An update on the tent situation. They put up their lights on the door. That's our tent. There's a cooler and water over there. Some lawn chairs over there. That's gonna be moved over here.
And Nathaniel's over here.
And a lot of firewood. And Nathaniel's over here. He's gonna go on a hike with us. And this walking on ancient mountain. Alright, made it to the end of walking on Ancient Mountains Trail. Absolutely perfect, very small trail, a little up and down, so I would say, yeah, actually wear shoes, don't just come here like your flip-flops or whatever, but a very beautiful spot. This is a very recommended trail if you're in Nopiming Park. The only issue with this trail is the drive up here is absolutely garbage. So, first of all, when you enter Nopiming Park and getting to the Tulabi Falls campground where we're actually camping, it's already like 20 to 30 minutes of gravel road. And getting from Tulabi Falls campground to here is an hour drive, and it's all gravel, up, down, left, right, gravel with oncoming traffic. It's it's not good. That's the only downfall of this trail. Otherwise, this was gonna be like one of the best trails here in Manitoba.
There we go. The back. Wait, I don't want to be upside down more. He's a
Got you. Wait, this is 0%.
Turns out we we set up on the wrong campsite. This is campsite number 2. We're at campsite number 3. Parks Canada was on their way to take all of our stuff away, so we caught it in time. We're gonna move all the way over there. Moved everything from here to here in about 5 minutes. That was so fast. Whew. But we moved that very fast, eh?
We did. Record time.
The record time. Is there a time? Our teepee fell down. Try number 2. We got
like almost 300 at some point before
No,
prior in your life.
discipline. Good
That's
job.
like
It's time to go all the way back in there.